When they alter our breath, will the world be free of conflict and suffering? When our brains are rewired, will the greed and killing be over? For humans are boundless appetites and ceaseless desires that can never be satisfied, reprogramming us to want less and care more. We may yet save the human race. In the war against human nature, there won't be any more gender. There won't any differences at all, as it goes against equality and equity. For only by going to war against difference can we make the world a better place. Only when our brains are altered will we have a world of reason. For the root cause of all this destruction lies within us. But since we refuse to acknowledge these flaws, the only way forward is to hack in and reprogram us. The war against human nature will be a war against man's insatiable greed, a war against man's depravity, in which we'll eradicate culture and identity. Only when our brains are altered will we end all the selfishness. Only when they rewire our brains will the violence and hatred be over. Yes, only by destroying human nature can we transcend tribalism and racism. In the war against human nature, we'll use fear, persecution and brainwashing to squeeze out what is bad human, as we eradicate every trace of what came before. Yes, we get rid of the binary as we wage war on reality, sacrificing anyone who stands in the way of creating a perfect utopia. For the enemies of progress are sinful and must be exterminated. You are a non-person without a QR code. You have been contaminated by disinformation. You are unvaccinated and must be quarantined. Medicate, 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 exterminate. Medicate, 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 exterminate. Medicate, 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 exterminate. In the war against human nature, there won't be any mercy. Just a boot going into a human face, forever and ever and ever. Because people hate each other, simply because hatred is embedded in